Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up WeBull investing app. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the WeBull app and register your username with WeBull. You can do that by opening the app itself and registering yourself either through your email or your phone number. Then just enter the verification code and set up a new password. Once done, tap on the Open Account in the bottom tray of icons. Here, it's going to show that you're about 5% complete. Go ahead and tap on Open an Account to continue. First off, you're going to need to take a picture of a license or some form of ID. And once you've taken the pictures of your license, it's going to ask for some personal information like your complete name, address, social security number, and other things like that. Once you've made sure you filled out all that information correctly, go ahead, hit continue, and it's going to ask for some job information. Just generally put in what type of work you're doing and what your position is with your employer. Once you continue, it's going to bring you to the application page where they're going to ask you some basic questions. The next page is going to ask you these 3 financial questions. If you don't know what any of this means, then it probably doesn't apply to you. For 99% of the people, the answer is going to be no for all 3 of these. So leave it how it is and press continue. On the next page, it's going to verify your name and social security number. Just hit I agree. Now on the next page, it's going to ask you for account type. I recommend you to leave the stocks and the ETS highlighted. But if you want to trade cryptocurrency, go ahead and highlight the cryptocurrency button. The next page is going to be about the agreements and disclosures. Basically, all the terms and conditions that you're signing for. You just need to digitally sign your name. And the last thing for the application to go through is, it's going to ask you to verify your email address. So, plug in your email address and right away within the first 3 minutes, it should send you the verification code. Enter that in, hit next, and your application should be submitted for approval. So that's basically how you can set up WeBull investing app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.